Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Cyberpunk 2077 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the Steam application on your device. If you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the store page. Now from here, just click on the search box and then type in Cyberpunk 2077 and start your search. You will now find various different editions of the Cyberpunk game. You can download the base version by clicking on simply Cyberpunk 2077, and you may be asked to verify your age. After entering your age, click on the view page button, and now you will be able to buy the various different editions. Whichever edition you would like to buy, just click on the add to cart button and then click on view my cart, and you may now proceed with continuing for your payment in order to complete the transaction of the game. Now just choose your payment method and then continue forward with your payment credentials. After providing your payment credentials and they have been verified, the amount will be deducted from your account, and now the game will be added onto your library. You can then simply click on the game to start the installation, and once it is done, you can start enjoying the game on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Cyberpunk 2077 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.